Always be sure to Loctite these when you put them back in. Drive shaft's disconnected. Be sure to leave your little mark so that you know how your drive shaft come in and out. You got your seal in, just verify all the way around. It's pressed all the way in, no gaps. Once you do that, you want to take a little bit of clean ATF and put on the inside of this lip along this spline, just to lubricate that for when you slide your drive shaft back in. Once you get your drive shaft style, put her in neutral, back down here. With the blue. You know, YouTubers should say whatever, too much, Loctite, whatever. This is not your truck. Okay. Pro tip, Hyper Tough Flex Funnel. Perfect. ATF plus 4. Doesn't matter the brand. The transfer case so much as it does the transmission. Man. Nice and clean. Green bolt. Oops. Green plug.